All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information of cryptocurrency, what's going on with Ethereum, Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, how to mine cryptocurrency. We even talk about that credit card, how you can get your rewards in Bitcoin and stuff. If you could do me a favor, we're going to have a really good episode today. If you can go ahead and hit the like and like our videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and subscribe to our videos, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any videos. We're going to be talking about all those miners that are moving from China, where are they moving, but we also want to talk about how those M2 Pros have showed up. They did show up. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. It's happening. That's right. That it happened. Flip this thing around. The Match X has now shown up. So we're going to be talking a little bit about this. We're going to be installing it in a few days or today. Oh my God. Again, we talk all about cryptocurrency, mining cryptocurrency, buying cryptocurrency, all kinds of news. Let's go ahead and head over to the miners in China. It says right here, the countries will become the new mining capitals after the Chinese crackdown. In May of 2021, the Chinese took the latest step in running a long campaign to ban the cryptocurrency. It imposes a four-scale legal ban on crypto mining in 6 regions of the country. Basically, through a hardship surprise, China has banned eliminated of cryptocurrency as early as 2013, when it first restricted the banks of utilizing Bitcoin. This was followed by the total ban of all the tokens in 2017, the SWIFT pledge to shut down the entire crypto exchange in 2019. So it just the Chinese houses more than 50% of the crypto miners. It says, in fact, the Chinese miners make up 75% of the global hash rate for Bitcoin. This has been the case typically because miners in China have benefited from easy access to cheap electricity, thanks to the hydro and specialized hardware. However, with the Chinese government wiping out what is considered to be a real threat to this country's financial stability, other countries will now have to fill the cryptocurrency mining gap. Okay, so where are they going to go? If China is shutting everything down and they have to move, what does it say? Which countries will become the new crypto mining hub? Crypto mining is a complex. Several factors such as technological setups and electricity, utility costs in the country will determine your capacity. Never mind growing the regulations accepting within the region you're in, but the utilization recently statistics. I have analyzed which region will likely be handed the level of hash rates China has been hosting. Below are the top 10 countries I predict that the crypto mining will go to. And basically, you got Vietnamese down here, Thailand, Indonesia, Brazil, Scandinavian, Canada, Russia. Look at the top. At the top, we got USA. So those miners are going to basically be moving from China, and there's 10 different places where it's going to end up. So with that, let's go ahead and talk a little about Match X. So right here with this Match X, we're taking a look at this. All hails the king. All hail the king, no comparison. You know, the Match X, well, the thing I like about this is we actually have it now, so we're going to be putting this thing together. It did cost $24.99 in Germany, and German money. Well, when you put that into United States money, that's going to be roughly around $3,000. We got two or three of these. Also over here, talks about the different products, you know, that you can get. You know, again, we got the one that, you know, we're going to be real happy with. It mines a couple different coins. MRC, Bitcoin's coming soon. Polkadot's coming soon. Track your order. The M2 Born to Earn. You know, again, it has 4 different things right here. It says start earning. The M2 Pro LPWAN crypto miner. Price $24.99. Yeah, when we bought them, I thought I was doing 5 Gs. End up being 6 Gs because it's you had to convert it. The M2 Pro powers the low power wide area network. So all we know is we're pretty excited. Everything. We'll keep everybody up to date what's going on with the Match X and stuff. Let's go ahead and head over to the top 10. All right, over here at the top 10. Bitcoin is at $48,024. It's up 7.9% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's up actually 5.63 in the last 7 days. Ethereum's at around $3,200. Cardano is at a solid 3. It's at up amazing 42% in the last 7 days. Don't forget, here on Frank's Crypto Corner, everything is for educational purposes only. We want to make sure everybody is aware of what's going on in Bitcoin, Ethereum, but it's all for educational purposes. Binance Coin flip-flop with Cardano from number 3 to number 4. It is up 17.32% in the last 7 days. Tether's actually at number 5. XRP is at a solid number 6, selling for about $1.15. It's up 3.47%. The Dogecoin is negative 3% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's up about 6%. And Solana is up about 9.94% in the last 10 days. And number 10, and up about 9% in the last 7 days. So over here, the global crypto market is at 2.16 trillion. It's an increase of 2.14% in the last 24 hours. So a lot going on in the top 10. Again, pay attention to Polkadot, pay attention to XRP. Cardano is definitely moving. The number 1 and number 2, Bitcoin and Ethereum, going real good here. With that, let's talk about a credit card that you can actually earn Bitcoin. So some people want to buy the Bitcoin. Some people want to mine the Bitcoin. Some people actually may want to earn the Bitcoin. That's right. Don't just buy the Bitcoin, earn it. BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell, and earn cryptocurrency. Sign up today. It says earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. I'm introducing the BlockFi Reward Visa Signature Card, the very first Bitcoin reward credit card. It says earn more from your crypto. With BlockFi interest, you can actually put your cryptocurrency to work and earn 7.5% ARY. The interest accrues daily and is paid monthly. There's no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. It says your instant trades. With BlockFi trading, you can buy, sell, and exchange a variety of crypto assets at a competitive price and store them in one convenient place. Here's the next one's the really cool one. Borrow money and rates as low as 4.5%. You don't have to sell your crypto to get cash. At BlockFi, we'll let you borrow funds against your crypto so you can get a loan while you continue to hold your crypto. So all kinds of things here at BlockFi. Definitely sign up today. And you definitely want to sign up today for that credit card because it's definitely a good thing. So in the last couple days, we've been talking about Cardano. It's flip-flopped from number 4 to number 3. It actually crossed over $3 today. So Cardano, it's actually dropped a little bit. But ADA is actually up. We've been talking about GPU mining, helium mining. We've been talking about that a little bit. Trying to get our things to actually talk and communicate. So our witness, I guess you would say, the products from Germany are now in. So now we're going to have to get everything synced and like that. We're going to put some videos together on the Match X. So don't forget, we bring you all kinds of news and information from Frank's Crypto Corner. We're going to be doing all kinds of videos on upcoming about how you can actually mine, how you can actually buy, and how you can actually earn your cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here so you can see our most recent video, and you have a great day.